Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup e-commerce SMS data with Postscript exports step by step clearly. To backup your e-commerce SMS data with Postscript exports, start by logging into your Postscript account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Audience tab. Look for the option labeled Export at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Export button to initiate the backup process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose the data you wish to export. Once you've made your selection, confirm by clicking on the Export button in the pop-up. The export will begin, and you will see a progress indicator on the screen. After a few moments, a notification will inform you when your export is complete. You can then navigate to the Exports section, which is usually found in the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of your recent exports available for download. Locate the export you just created and click on the download link next to it. The file will download in a CSV format, which is easy to manage and analyze. Once the download is complete, check your computer's Downloads folder for the file. Open the CSV file to ensure that all the necessary data has been successfully exported. This backup can now be stored securely on your system or in a cloud storage service for future reference. Regularly backing up your SMS data helps ensure that you have access to critical information whenever needed. Follow these steps periodically to maintain up-to-date backups of your e-commerce SMS data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.